Welcome to the third video, where we're looking at adding and subtracting integers using counters. So focus of this video is on subtracting. We have to subtract each set of integers using integer counters. So let's follow these steps. Step 1 will represent the first integer only. So in A, we have -7 take away -4. So let's represent -7 using 7 red counters. Then we'll remove the required number of counters. I'm taking away 4 negatives. So let's circle these counters and take them away. Now there will be some times when there's not enough counters there to take away. So in that case we have to add 0 pairs. We'll see that in the next example. So now, whichever counters are left over is the answer. So here I'm left with 3 negative counters. Now for B, let's repeat these steps. We'll represent the first integer. So I'll have 5 yellow counters. Now I got to remove the required number of counters. I had to take away 2 negatives. But we don't have 2 negative counters there to take away. So this is where we have to add 0 pairs because there's not enough counters. So how many 0 pairs do we need to add? We'll keep adding them till you have the right amount for you to take away. So if I add on 1 0 pair, I now have 1 negative counter I can take away. So let's add another one. So I can now take away these 2 negative counters. So if I do that, I'll just see what's left over now, which is +7. Now for C, we have -2 take away -3. So we'll start by representing -2. So here I have 2 red counters. Now I have to take away 3 red counters, but I don't have 3 there, I only have 2. So let's add on a 0 pair. So now you can see I do have 3 to take away, leaving me with +1. So -2 subtract -3 is +1. Now for the last one I have 3 numbers. So we'll start by subtracting the first 2 integers. So we have +5 take away +2. So here I have +5 and I got to take away 2 positives. Now I need to take away a -1. Now since I don't have a -1 to take away, we'll add on 1 0 pair. So now let's take that 1 negative away, leaving me with +4. So that's how you can use counters to subtract. You can now complete all the activities in the section before moving on.